Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to turn off double tap to wake up the screen or tap to check phone in Google Pixel 7a. So here is my phone. Currently it is screen is off, and if you tap, then screen will be turned on. If you double tap, the screen will be turned on. So how to turn off this feature? It is very simple. Simply open your phone, then swipe for settings or go to settings application. Okay, simply open your settings application, then go to just scroll up the page, and then you will get the system. Open system, then get gestures. Okay, in gestures you can see option of tap to check phone. It is currently turned on. You can see here double tapping, then the screen will be turned on. So simply click on that button. Now it will be turned off. So that means if you are double tap anywhere, the screen not be go to sleep mode. So we are testing that. Simply press the power button. Now screen is off. Double tapping, triple tapping. Okay, there is no response. That means that feature is turned off. So in this way you can simply turn off double tap to wake up screen option in your Google Pixel 7a. And other Android mobiles, there will be double tap to screen option. So simply search that double tap in your settings, then you will get this settings on your other mobiles like Oppo, Vivo, OnePlus, IQ, and other Chinese brands like Poco. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.